Hey, what's going on there? I'm James Bill, and I'm going to show you the fastest way to make 10K per month online. Guys, in a little bit, I'm going to take you to my back office and show you some proof. And this is not to brag or boast in any way. I want to simply show you what's possible and what you can do if you take action, guys. And then I'm going to take you to my whiteboard and show you the absolute fastest way to make 10K online, guys. So let's dive right into it. Okay, guys, I'm going to take you to my back office of minimize this here, make it small anyway. Okay, and what this is, it's just a post I did here, guys, to share with the community and to show the new members, that hey, it's possible. Just continue on. I've been with this company, by the way, 2 years now, and I've been fortunate to hit the leaderboard with some of the top earners, 6 and 7 figure earners that's in the community, guys. And I was so grateful for that. I'm just grateful for the Dave Sharp, our CEO of the company, and my mentor, partner, that showed me a lot about marketing and sales here. And let's get rid of that one there if we could. Like I say, that's just a letter to share back with the community of me earning, making it on the leaderboard. And I was very excited about that. And now what I'm going to show you here, guys, are some more. It's on the commission side of things. This, like I said, I've been with the company for 2 years. This was December 7, 2017, when I made my first 10K month with this company. This was a $3,200 commission I made in sales, and this is the owner, David Sharp, congratulating me, guys. And I was so thankful, just grateful and blessed to have this knowledge. Okay, so check this out. Like I said, the fastest way to make 10K per month online, guys. All righty? If you have an online business, or if you're looking to start an online business, here's your chance to learn the basic fundamentals of how to grow your online business and market effectively. Keyword effectively. Get more skills, proven skills, okay? And work with an advisor to create a business plan for you that will allow you to promote any business model that you have or want to promote. Guys, it's a 15-day free business builder challenge training that's going to allow you to learn the basic fundamentals and how to market effectively. There's too many of you out there that's trying to do this on your own, and that's why you're struggling. But anyway, I'm going to leave a link up above if you're on Facebook that you can contact me, and if you're on YouTube, I'll leave a link down below, guys. And if you want to make 10K per month from home online, this is the system that you need to get you going, guys. God bless, and I'll see you on the next video.